How to permanently set YouTube video quality on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to permanently set YouTube video quality on mobile. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and further, go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. You will see the settings option on the top right of your screen. Tap on that. Now go ahead and tap on the video quality preferences option. You will see two options in here. That is on mobile networks and on Wi-Fi. In this interface, you will be able to select your default streaming quality for all videos. You can also change streaming quality in player options for single videos. So tap on the on mobile networks option and select your preferred quality. If you set auto, YouTube will adjust to give you the best experience for your condition. If you select higher picture quality, YouTube will use most of your data, and if you select data saver, YouTube will use lower quality picture. Select the best suited option for you and do the same for video quality on Wi-Fi too, and this is how you can permanently set YouTube quality on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.